Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian party smoky jollof rice. And what I'm going to be doing guys is what I call one pot Nigerian jollof rice. The ingredients for this recipe are some tomatoes, some red bell peppers, green bell pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper, some long pepper, and some onion. So next, I'm going to transfer it into a baking tray and then add some fresh garlic and ginger. I roasted it for about 40 minutes. So this is how it looks like after roasting for 40 minutes. Next, I'll go ahead and blend the roasted peppers. Pour some vegetable oil in a pot. Like I mentioned earlier, I said we are going to be doing one pot party smoky jollof rice. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do guys is to stir fry the beef. I'm using beef for this recipe, just so you know. Stir fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. And add some water, some salt, and seasoning cubes. Leave that to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to remove the meat. Add some vegetable oil in a pot. I'll go ahead and add some chopped onions and some tomato paste. Fry the tomato paste for about 50 minutes. So when you are frying your tomato paste for Nigerian jollof rice, you have to fry on a low heat to avoid burning. Next, I'll introduce the pepper mix. So at this time, I will add my washed rice. So next, I'll go ahead and add my chicken broth. For Nigerian jollof rice, guys, you don't need too much water. Your liquid should not be more than the rice, otherwise you will end up with soggy rice. Jollof rice does not require too much water, just steam. So as you can see, I'm currently adding some seasoning cubes, some bay leaves, some salt. Stir very well until well combined. At this point, I will add the meat. So I'll go ahead and cover with a kitchen foil so that all the heat will be trapped inside the rice. So cover with a lid. See this rice, oh my goodness. You know, one thing I love about Nigerian jollof rice is that it tastes really good, especially when you know how to prepare it. So right about now, guys, as you can see, I am currently adding water because the rice is still hard. Hence, I added just a little bit of water. I'm going to scoop some butter into the rice. I'm going to tell you why I added butter. Butter helps to enhance the flavor and add richness to the rice. And then I'll add some chopped onions and some chopped tomatoes. Oh my goodness, guys, are you seeing this rice? Are you seeing this pot of rice? Oh no, it looks yummy, isn't it, guys? The aroma in my kitchen right now is like, eat me, eat me, eat me, eat me. This jollof rice looks amazing and tasted beautiful as well, guys. See guys, let me tell you something. If you follow every detail, like every step I showed you on how to make jollof rice, guys, you're going to end up with a professional recipe. Trust me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, please support your girl. Okay, guys. So my party smoky Nigerian jollof rice is ready. You guys, this rice tastes really good, delicious, absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. Bye.